Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, tutuoma, hihioma, if this is your afternoon, mbedeoma, if this is your evening, or abaleoma, if it's your night, wherever you are, from any part of the world, take your greetings. Ndewo, no, na klasị nke taa, abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo, Maazị Okafor. Kedu ebe ị nọ? Na-anụ olu anyị ugbu a. Where are you hearing us from? Okay? So wherever you are and you want to be part of this class, do well to join us now. I'm live. The Igbo tutor is live. Want to have a normal live Igbo speaking drill. So it's an opportunity for anyone who want to speak Igbo language. Maybe you have been learning over time, or you have been watching Igbo language lesson videos, and you want to challenge yourself to know how much you can speak or understand spoken Igbo. This is the time we come together to challenge ourselves to learn Igbo language. So wherever you are and you want to learn with us, you do well to join us now. Bịa sonyere anyị bịa sonyere anyị ka anyị mụọ ma sụọ asụsụ Igbo. Okay? Kedu ebe ị nọ? Of course, this was supposed to be for only members of the channel, but because of a network challenge, we couldn't continue with our scheduled class for members of the channel. And this class has been thrown open for everyone because I had to restart, okay, and abandon the scheduled class. So wherever you are, and you are seeing me right away, and you're interested in learning Igbo language, you're born by Igbo parents, you are married to Igbo, you have Igbo business partners, you have Igbo colleagues in place of work, you have Igbo neighbors, and you want to grab, understand, spoken Igbo, want to try to speak Igbo in one way or the other, I want to understand what is spoken, what is said in Igbo, this is the right place to be. We meet every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, to drill ourselves on Igbo language. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafor. Learning on a class. Who are the people in the class? I can see my brother Nake. Okay, who else is in the class? Members of the channel, please, you do well to connect with this new schedule. It's unfortunate that the other one couldn't work due to network. I hope this one will not fail too. That is the reality. We find ourselves in Nigeria. Nothing is working very well. But all the same, we keep pushing. We're not giving up. So the schedule class couldn't work. It was botched by network. I need to restart another one. So this is open for everybody anyway. With the permission of members of the channel, please let's allow others to come in, join us to learn today. Of course, we are supposed to have one open class at least once in a month to see whether we can get in new people to join us. So if you are in the class, please drop your greetings. That's the first thing to do. Kele ụmụnna. This is the Igbo family. So ị ga-ekele ụmụnna. Ị ga-asị anyị ndewo, nnọọ, daalụnụ. Okay, I can see Esther Okafor. I can see Nake. Who else is in the class? Kedu onye nọ n'ime class ya anyị ugbu a? Ịma na ị nọ ebe a, kelee ụmụnna. If you know you are here, greet your people. Ndewonu. No, we need to see you. We need to call your name. This is a live class, so you can't be in the class and won't know who you are. So you do well to drop your greeting in the chat. Say hi to us. Say ndewo dalo. Okay, I can see ndewo onye nkuzi Igbo from Esther. I can see ndewo from Nake. Who else is in the class? Drop your greetings. That is how we do it. That is how we do it. You greet the members of the class. No. All right. As we wait for maybe more people to join us, we have to begin to evaluate what we have done before. We began a new series last week, where we pick some unique words that may not be very familiar to anyone and try to understand the meaning of that word in Igbo language. So anyị na-ewere otu mkpụrụ okwu nke onye ọbụla na-amaghị ma gbaa mbọ ịmata ihe ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Mgbe anyị maara nke a, anyị ewere ya mee ahịrịokwu. We pick one word that is not common, get the meaning of that, and use it to make one simple sentence. That is what we began doing from last week, and we intend to continue that today. Last week, the last word we considered was eventually. Eventually, that was the last word we considered. Eventually, which is n'ikpeazụ or emechazia. Emechazia or n'ikpeazụ. Ikpeazụ, of course, means at last. Okay? Which is also like saying eventually, after all said and done, something happened. That's where we stopped last week. So we continue from there while we hope that the other members of the channel will be able to trace us where we are and connect to the class. Okay? Well, we hope that new people too will join us even today. So the first word we are looking at today is forever. 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 What is that in Igbo language? Forever. Gịnị bụ forever n'asụsụ Igbo? Yes. Let's go. Our rule, you first drop the word, drop your own understanding of the word, the meaning you attach to this word, what you think this word means, drop it in the chat. Then we try to make a sentence with that. Okay? Gịnị bụ forever n'asụsụ Igbo? What is forever in Igbo language? Yes. Let's go. Who is doing that first for us? Yes, waiting for you to do that. I believe I'm clear enough. I believe I'm clear enough. I'm audible enough. Yes. Let's go. Gịnị bụ forever in Igbo language? What is forever in Igbo language? Forever. Gịnị ka a na-akpọ ya n'asụsụ Igbo? Ngwa mee na ọsịsọ ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Gịnị bụ forever n'asụsụ Igbo? Ngwa. Ọsịsọ, ọsịsọ, ọsịsọ. Gwa m ihe ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Forever. I'm waiting for you. Gịnị bụ forever n'asụsụ Igbo? Yes, 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 yes. Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Yes. Any answer yet? Any response yet? Okay. Esther say, amaghị. What about Nnake? Nnake, gịnị bụ forever n'asụsụ Igbo? Ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's a good effort from Nnake. Okay. That's a good effort. Okay. It's actually mgbe ebighị ebi or ebighị ebi. Okay. So you got it because you wrote ebighị ebi there. So that is actually forever on its own as a word is ebighị ebi or mgbe ebighị ebi. Okay. Mgbe ebighị ebi. So I give it to you, Nnake. So mgbe ebighị ebi is forever. Mgbe ebighị ebi or ebighị ebi. So the time that never ends, that is mgbe ebighị ebi. So I want to correct it that it should be mgbe ebighị ebi. That is forever. Very correct, Nnake. But not ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Ruo is till forever. Okay, I wanted us to put the word itself separate before we use it to make a sentence. So, ruo mgbe ebighị ebi is till forever. Till forever. That is ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Till forever. But the word itself, forever, is mgbe ebighị ebi. Mgbe ebighị ebi. That is the word itself. But ruo mgbe ebighị ebi is till forever. Till forever. That is ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. No, okay, Princess Ezenwa, no, na class. All right, those who are in the class and they've not greeted us, you're not doing well, just drop a greeting, say ndewo, no, just say something, dalo no umunna. Just greet us, we are your brothers and sisters, okay? Whether you are born by Igbo parents, you are Igbo person out of the country who can't understand the language again, you are married to Igbo, you are engaged, you are a business partner, you are a colleague, whatever you are, you're a member of Igbo family. So just greet us, say ndewo, no, dalo, say something. Let's know you are here. Mark your presence. All right. So let's make a simple sentence with this. Okay. Anyị ga-anọ rue mgbe ebighị ebi. Okay. Anyị ga-anọ rue mgbe ebighị ebi. Anyị ga-anọ rue mgbe ebighị ebi. Or let me even reverse it. Anyị agaghị anọ or anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Please, let's use this sentence. Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Use this sentence. Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Okay, let's try this. Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. What does that mean? Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Let's give it a try. Yes? Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Yes? Someone should do that. Okay? Clement, you're welcome to class. Okay? Okay, you can be busy. That's all right. In again, you can be busy all the ma. We will. Oh, Sherry Mango, you are even the one here, not Princess. It was Sherry Mango. I missed it out. Sorry, Sherry Mango. I thought it was Princess. All right, no. So the sentence is Anya Gaya Dendo. I think the first one I said was I reversed it. What I said now is Ani Agaya Dendo Room Baby. Yes? So Sherry Mango, what you wrote is like an opposite of what I said last. Okay? But I think what you said is in line with the first sentence I made before I changed my mind. Okay? Because I remember that sentence cannot be correct. We will not live forever unless you merit heaven. Okay? That's how you can be there. But otherwise, we will not live forever. So, I've even told you what I said. Okay? Nobody is making effort except Sherry Mango. Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Esther, are you there? What about Clement? Okay, Makanake, you didn't say anything. Okay? Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. You didn't say anything to that. Okay? We are going to be together forever. Okay? That's a good try by Esther. Good effort. But remember, my word is Anyị agaghị adị ndụ ruo mgbe ebighị ebi. Okay? Any other contribution? If you don't know, you say Amaim, Amaim. And let's move on to the correct version or the a kind of the reply, supply of the answer to that. But I'm going to write my Ani. The I should have dot on that, please. My system is not giving me that when I'm live. I don't know why. But I want to write the sentence in Igbo. I want to write the sentence. They also should have dot under the I. Okay. Okay. My system is not giving me that when I'm live. I don't know why. So this is what I said. I want to write the sentence in full so that for those who don't hear what I said very well, they can pick it from there. Okay. This is what I said. Look at the chart. You can see what I said there. Okay. So this is what I said.